Okay, so I guess most of you Hyundai Santa Cruz owners know that, but for that one person who doesn't know, so you actually have 3 screens, right? When you start your car, you're always greeted with this screen, and then you can scroll to these screens. But did you know that most of the functions of these screens here you can actually get from this screen? So for instance, you see here when you drive navigation, you just want to hit it somewhere here, and then you automatically come to the navigation. Let's just go back once more. The same applies here. Let's say right now the radio is off, so if you would go here, you could start the radio. You hit another one, and then you would actually come into the radio system, right? You want to see the weather? Well, just go here, and then the weather pulls up, as you see. Or you want to go to the time settings, you can go here. So instead of often scrolling here and looking for your function, you actually can do quite a lot from the, I would call it the start or the greeting screen. And yeah, so that's just a little FYI if you have ever wondered why it's just such a dark screen. I actually like that, and as I said, just hit anywhere, like let's say navigation again, and then you jump right into navigation. Thanks for watching.